Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with another tune-up report for Brad in Kentucky on this new Connex CX-3400HP. Now Brad, on this Connex here, you've also got the light color changes like on your striker. A little bit different selection there. And your dim is right here. Let me show you what we got here. Going to turn the RF power all the way down. 5-watt slug. Right at a 1/2 watt. Travels up to about 5.5 watts all the way up. I'll show you average power, 100-watt scale. Low audio, about 18 bird. Got a peak. Low 50-51 peak watts. This radio also works great by itself, just like the striker, or you can put an amp behind it if you want to later on. Hope you enjoy, Brad, from your friend Truck CBSales@gmail.com. Bump bump.